Hey everyone, it's Anwar from Cool Web Techie. In today's video, I will be showing you how to migrate your WordPress website to a new host using the all-in-one WP migration plugin for free. No matter how large your website is, after watching this video, you will be able to migrate your website up to 100 GB. I will put the plugin link in the description below. Today, I am going to transfer this website to a different domain, which is hosted on a separate hosting account. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Install and activate the plugin. First, you will need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin on your website. If we try to use the free version by going to the WordPress dashboard and then scrolling to plugins and click on add new option, search migration. Here is the free version. Click on install now and activate. Then go to the all-in-one WP migration. Click on import. It will only permit us to migrate sites up to 512 MB. However, we can still proceed with the migration by using an older version of the plugin that allows us to transfer sites up to 100 GB. So no need to worry. Once you have downloaded the plugin from the description below, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, then click on add new. Click on upload plugin. Then choose the file you just downloaded and click install now. Once it's installed, click activate to activate the plugin. Do not click on update plugin. And now if we go to the import option, the maximum upload file size is 100 GB. Step 2. Export your website. Now the plugin installed and activated. It's time to export your website. Go to all-in-one WP migration in your WordPress dashboard and click export. Select export to file and the plugin will start exporting your site. This might take some time, especially for larger sites, but the plugin will notify you when it's done. Once the export is completed, click on download the website file to your computer. The download time for the file will depend on the size of your website. Now, as the backup file is downloaded to our computer, be sure to remove the plugin by uninstall to keep your server always in a safe site, as keeping older version of any themes and plugins is like inviting the hacker. Alright? Step 3. Install WordPress on the new hosting. Next, you will need to install WordPress on your new host. If you are migrating your site to the same domain, you will need to point your domain to the new hosting by changing the A record or name server provided by your hosting provider. In our case, we are migrating the site to a subdomain, but you can use any domain you want. Now we will log in to our hosting cPanel and navigate to the WordPress installer option and select the subdomain. And next, enter the necessary information and click Install WordPress. No matter cPanel, VPS or whatever hosting you are using, all you have to do is just install WordPress. Step 4. Import your website to the new host. Now that you have WordPress installed on the new host, it's time to import your website. Install the all-in-one WP migration plugin again in the new WordPress site you just created. Go to all-in-one WP migration in your new website and click import. Choose the file you just exported and the plugin will start importing your website. This may take some time as well, so I will pause the video until it's completed. Now, as it's completed, click on Proceed. Now wait a while to process it to 100%. With that, our migration process is done. Now, if we go to the front end, the website will show up. Now log into WordPress with the old credentials. Click on Settings, then Permalinks, and click on Save Changes. And boom, our migration process is completely done. By following the process, you can migrate any WordPress website to any host you want. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.